Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open our camera app. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the bottom we've got the resolution option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got 3 different sizes, and probably frames per second will also differ between the sizes. So all you have to do is to tap on the one you'd like to use, for example UHD or HD, and as you can see the frames per second does not change. So I have no idea why they added this option, but whatever. So as I said, simply tap on the specific option and you can see that the icon will immediately change, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.